Standard 5 Environmental Science. Chapter Water. Fill in the blanks. Some impurities float in water. Number 2. Rivers, lakes are sources of water. Number 3. Polluted water cannot be used for drinking or for any other purpose. Number 4. Before water is supplied to a town or city, it is purified. True or false? Correct the wrong ones. A. We get rainwater throughout the year. Answer: false. The correct statement is we get rainwater for only 4 months in a year. B. During a famine, the government moves people and animals temporarily to safe places. Answer: true. What's the solution? Question. Soil in the garden gets washed away with the water due to the slope of the land. Answer. Enough trees must be planted in the garden so that the roots of the trees will make a mesh underground, holding the soil firmly, not allowing the soil to get washed away. Use your brain power. Question. How should roads and footpaths be built to make rainwater seep into the ground? Answer. Use of paver stones to make roads or footpaths is a solution, as the rainwater will then be able to seep through the joints and percolate into the soil, instead of flowing into the drains and getting washed. Answer the following questions. A. What conditions prevail during a famine? Answer in points. First point. During a famine, humans and animals suffer from scarcity of water. As there is no water for agriculture, grain and fodder become scarce in the famine stricken areas. Point number 3. People living in these areas have to face a lot of hardship. Point number 4. Animals and plants in these parts also suffer. Next question. What works are undertaken to make water available even after the rainy season? Answer. Several works are undertaken to make water available even after the rainy season, like: point number 1. Large dams are built. Point number 2. Smaller reservoirs are built. Point number 3. Contour bundings and constructing bunds on smaller streams. Next question. Why is it necessary to stop rainwater? Answer in points. Point number 1. We get rain for only 4 months in a year. If rainwater is not stored, we will not have water for our daily need after the rains. Point number 2. So, in order to meet the whole year's need for water, rainwater must be stopped. What is meant by water management? Answer. Taking steps to ensure that rainwater will be available even in the period after the rainy season is called water management. Thank you.